Good morning. This is Jeff Weinstein of Weinstein Law, and this is the Morning News Report. We begin every edition of the Morning News Report by sharing our golden rule for driving, which is that no one has the right to needlessly endanger another member of society. And this is a really sad story here. It happened last week. Gentleman, Mark Durham, he was 65 years old, and he was the security chief at General Dynamics, I guess over near San Diego, California. He had just retired 1 week ago when he was killed by a suspected drunk driver. Isn't that horrible? And our thoughts and prayers go out to the Durham family. A drunk driver crashed into the rear of his car at a stoplight. And following the treatment of minor personal injuries sustained in the drunk driving accident, Mr. Garino, who ran into Mr. Durham, was sent to jail on charges of gross vehicular manslaughter, driving under the influence of alcohol, causing Durham's wrongful death. Durham was reportedly on his way to the movies when he was killed in the car wreck. I mean, this is so senseless. How many people have to die from drunk driving before we literally wake up and say, you just can't do it anymore? We know that alcohol begins to affect you the minute it's ingested in your body, and that your motor skills and physical skills are affected. We know that drinking and driving do not mix. And yet, we read these stories every day. And here's someone who, by all accounts, has worked his whole life to be able to enjoy his retirement. And 1 week into it, he is killed by a drunk driver. I don't even know where to begin to say that I hope that the Durhams prosecute him to the fullest extent of the law, because apparently it will just continually take showing what the consequences are in order for people to do the right thing and think before they drink.